YouTube, what it do, man? It's your boy Marcel. In today's video, I'm gonna tell y'all the best times to brush your 360 waves. Also, before we get into this video, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and leave a comment if need be. I do video suggestions, but I'm gonna pop something up right here. I have a playlist for 360 wave beginners. It's 50 videos in that playlist. You want to go from beginner to intermediate real quick, I definitely highly suggest that you watch that playlist. All right, man, therefore, let's get into the video. All right, guys, so the best time to brush your 360 waves, I'm going to give you three good time, time like 8 o'clock, 3 o'clock. So I'm gonna give you some good times that I brush my 360 waves and how can you incorporate this into your brush session. So the first time when you wake up, right? So in the morning around 9 or 10 o'clock, you want to get a good session in. Now, how long do you want to brush? If you're intermediate, you know you need to brush at least 30 to 45 minutes. You can do 1 hour to 45 minutes, up to you. Evening session. The evening session is sometimes like 5 o'clock. It could be 5 o'clock. So again, you got the morning session, which can be from 9 to 12. And then the evening session, which could be like from 5 to 8 o'clock, around that time. So if you're doing an evening session, you don't have to brush an hour to 45. If you already brush for the morning session an hour to 45 minutes, then when the evening session comes, you could probably do 30 minutes, or you can do 5 to 10 minutes because you already did your brush session that time. But this is if you really this is for intermediates who want to go from intermediate to advanced. This is what night method. The night method can be from I say like 8:30. You could say 8:30, but you could do what, 9 to 10:30. You could go ahead and get you an easy, quick session in from 5 to 15 minute brush session. That's the night method. So if you do all these methods, all these time methods, so morning, evening, and night, I promise you, if you're an intermediate waver and you're trying to go to advanced, your waves will flourish. You will become flawless very quick. But again, you gotta take your time, man. When you're doing this, certain things, take your time, flow. But if you are liking this video, man, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, man. I'm dropping bangers every single day for you all. So if you see this video, smash, subscribe to the channel. We are dropping bangers every single day. Again, if you're a beginner, I have a playlist, 50 plus videos. Check out that playlist. If you're trying to go to intermediate, I already got a playlist starting. You can actually, it's gonna pop up right here. You can click on them 3 videos I already have to get you started, getting you ready, trying to get you advanced. All right, man. My name is Marcel. I'll see you on the next one. Peace. YouTube, man, what's going on? It's your boy Marcel. All right, man, before we end this video, if you want any of the products that I'm using, I'm going to actually show y'all how to get to it. Hold on, I'm about to flip the screen. So if you come down to the description, all you have to do is go right here, show more, and the products are linked below. All the products that I'm using. All you have to do is click on one of the products. So let's click on the shampoo. You click on the shampoo product, and it takes you right to the product, and you can check out and get it. All right, man, I'll see you on the next one. Peace.